Page 41. Transition altitude controlled. The transition altitude is that designated reference point in the airspace at which an aircraft on the climb will change their altimeter setting from QNH to QNE due to the fact that their indicated barometric pressure setting that was input into the altimeter by the pilot while still on the ground prior to departure is no longer an accurate measure of the changing atmospheric conditions. Because this pressure change cannot be measured above that published transition limit, all aircraft flying above the transition altitude will therefore have to continue operating on a standard setting of 1013.25 hectopascals in order to be able to maintain a common height reference with all traffic flying in that same airspace. The pilot will therefore change from the known QNH to the published QNE setting and continue to report their height as a flight level. This transition process also applies to all aircraft flying beyond 25 nautical miles from their original geographical reference that the QNH was supplied from and whose intended final height will remain below the transition altitude en route to destination. The transition altitude for any control station is fixed and indicated in the relevant airfield layout section of the AIP.